What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on Xiaomi Band 5, which is the latest and greatest fitness tracker by Xiaomi. Come with the fantastic specifications, starting with the 1.1 inch colored full screen OLED display, 5 atmosphere rated, which means it's a water resistance up to 50 meter, and automatically recognize the swimming strokes too, so you do not need to enable it from the smartwatch. Come with the features of recording your 24-hour heart rate and a stress test. SpO2 sensor is also available too. Come with the multiple sports mode tracking, a magnetic charge, which if is considered with the Band 5, kind of an upgrade. All day sleep tracking and much more applications too. Battery life will last you up to 14 days, not that bad at all. Now all these specifications which I have mentioned, we're going to check them all out other than the female one, which kind of not physically possible for me. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump in to the packaging and see what comes with it, following with configuring with your mobile phone and the demonstration. So by the end of this video, without my conclusion, you will have an idea that this Xiaomi Mi 5 band is for you or not. Within packaging, you are getting multi-language supporting user manual, one USB couple charging cable, and in last but not least, your fitness tracking smartwatch, which is definitely from the build and quality point of view is a premium all across. Belt is soft enough to go around your wrist and you can wear it for hours. Where on the back you have a heart rate and SpO2 sensor along with the pins for the charging. You can actually pull out smartwatch from the wristband itself by pushing it inwards like that. Now here is your smartwatch body with you. You can do whatever you want or change the belt colors as well. I will leave a link in the video description for you to check out. To put it back in, simply slide it in and push it down. When smartwatch is powered first time, going to go through a wizard and ask you to install the application on your smartphone. The app which you need on your mobile phone is available for Android as well as for iOS users, and it's called Mi Fit. Install it first time. Once application is installed, you need to create a credential with it. Now once you created your account with the Mi Fit application, click onto this plus button on the top and add your band in here. Once successfully paired with your mobile phone, everything will be happy chappy. And on first power up, your smartwatch is going to get the latest firmware update as well. While tiny operating system which is running in a Mi Band 5 is fantastic and a very user friendly to start with. By scrolling up and down you can access all the menus, and by just simply going into them you can access it too. Let's suppose to start with the first menu we have is the status. Here it's going to show you all the information that how many steps you have taken, calories you have burned, right available within your fingertips. Simple, straightforward. Next tab, which is a PAI, all to do with the scoring from 0 to 100, and it's going to rate you how you've been sleeping, working out and stuff like that by day and day, and all the detailed data for that is also available in a Mi Band application. After that, next tab we have is a heart rate. By going into there you can launch the heart rate sensor information, and it's been recording 24/7 as well, showing you each and everything very nicely within too. Again, interface is also available within the user-friendly application as well. Next one is the notification, which is all to do with your smartphone. In here is going to show you whatever notifications you have available. Then the stress test, which is all to do with the heart rate. By going in here, you can launch this application. It will show you how is your stress level. Following with the breathing exercise as well, you can launch it and it will actually tell you when to breathe in and when to out. After breathing exercise, we have an option for event reminder, and you can set all the events using the application. Following with the weather application, and this all information about the weather is coming from your mobile phone and it's very detailed as well. Now after weather, the next tab you have is for the working out, which is very easy and straightforward to work with. By simply click of one button you can launch a working out session, starting with the working out, running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, and many more actually guys. By click of one button you can launch an activity, simple as that, and once it's activated and you have been running actually Then all the detail will be recorded within the Mi Band application too. To stop it, press and hold on the capacitive button on the screen and stop on the top. Simple as that. After working out, next tab you have is for the more. In here you're going to get the option for do not disturb, alarm, camera, music, stopwatch, timer. Find your mobile phone, silent the smartwatch, world clock, Mi Band display where you can change the main screen displays, and the choices are in thousands guys. By using the Mi Band application, we'll actually show you later in this video that how you're going to get them all. Then furthermore down you have an option for the settings where you can control the brightness of your fitness tracker. It is very important to know about this section because it will help you to use the smartwatch in out and about. Option for lock screen and much more is also available in here, so as a reboot your device too. Honestly speaking, I really like the graphical user interface of this Mi Band 5. Very intuitive, works great to be honest with you, throughout fantastic. Like tiny operating system which is running on this Mi Band 5, the Mi application is also fantastic and user friendly too. On the home screen you're going to see the all information about your working out, where to start with it's going to show you the status. You can go into the more detail of it, where you can see the PAI, which is personalized data of yours, stress level test, how is your sleeping actually, and you can go in further more detail into it, how your last day was, how was your week, if you got a lot of information available in here. And as you can see that information is a key and has been provided every single moment within the application as well, of your heart rate as well. And you can also shuffle or rearrange all the cards with respect to the data within the application too. Now within the home screen you're also going to see the information about how long you've been walking, tracking your goal and stuff like that. On the top tab you also get to see option for the walking if you're going to do the walking, and by press of one button you can actually launch the workout from your mobile phone on your fitness tracker. It will straight away start to record your heart rate data and place your all tracking on the map as well. And you can also pause the workout from the mobile phone application and stop as well. Option for the working out and running and cycling information can also be enabled using this application, and you can also invite your friends to join you as well. Within the profile you can create your profile in terms of your smartwatches, whatever you have. Like we have a Mi Fit Smart Band 5 in here, where you can also see remaining battery life and last time it was charged too. Within the store you're going to see all the latest dials available for your fitness tracker, and you can see that the choice is awesome actually guys. There's thousands of them available in here and they are well categorized as well. Let's suppose I would like to find out some fashion ones. You can see that right in here you got a list of fashion ones or the simplicity ones as well in there as well, so as the working out ones as well. But click of a one button you can actually download them straight into your fitness tracker. Let's suppose I wanted to have this one, synchronize it with my smartwatch, and once the download is completed you're going to have your watch face available. Now with the help of using this area you have a control over your smartwatch on incoming calls, event reminders, alarms, application, or what application you would like to get to see notifications from. Well, you have all the notification application available in here. You can add more if you want to as well, which are installed on your mobile phone by simply selecting them. Pretty much user-friendly application, and also offers so much more under here, which is very much user-friendly to go for and straightforward too. You can also change the display setting of your fitness tracker by what you would like to see on the main screen, and you can tweak them up and down as well by simply press and hold on any one of them which you would like to change to whatever you like. Once it's saved, and it will be straight away updated on your fitness tracker. Now Mi application also help you to interface your account with the WeChat as well as the Google Fit too. You can use any one of them and enjoy. And with the application you can also analyze your smart sleep data too if you want to. Pretty much straightforward application to work with. Now Mi Band 5 is expected to receive an update for SPO2, whereas at the moment of time it can only do the heart rate. Now to confirm that the heart rate works well, we have to check with the very calibrated device like oximeter I have got handy with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to read the heart rate right on it as well, and on the fitness tracker as well, just to confirm it. Once measured, you're also going to hear a vibration sound too. On my fitness tracker, I am getting 86 pulses per minute, where an oximeter is about 86 to 87. Not that bad at all, guys, to be honest with you. Now let's talk about getting the mobile phone notification. When someone calls you, you actually get to see a caller ID as well. And you get to see the option to disconnect the call or silent it if you want to by press of a one button. And disconnection of call is easy as well. It is really a disconnection, not a silent at all. And also when you get the notification on your WhatsApp, if you have received multiple messages, you cannot actually read them at all. But when you get the single message, you can actually read the message very clearly too. By using fitness tracker, you can actually launch the music right on your mobile phone by going into the more area and opening up the music tab in here, which is just a controller. But the condition for that to work is that the music application on your mobile phone has to be turned on, like the way I've just done it. I can simply open up one music, click onto the play, and there we go. You can navigate within the playlist, simple as that. Play and pause, no problem whatsoever with it. And you can actually control the volume as well if you want to, simple as that. Works really great, to be honest with you, and a handy controller for controlling music off your mobile phone. Now launching music on your mobile phone, Mi Band 5 can do a bit more than that as well by just simply going into More tab and using the camera shutter option in here. And condition for that is that you have to open up your camera application. By click of one button, you can take just pictures just like that. You don't need to ask anyone to take your selfies or the pictures at all. Simply place your mobile phone on the tripod and take pictures without asking anyone. The process of charging smartwatch with this magnetic couple charging is easy and straightforward. You cannot go wrong at all. It really works great if I compare with other fitness trackers I have seen in the past. Now fitness tracker is also ATM5, atmosphere 5 rated, which means that you can take it underwater about 50 meters for 15 minutes, no problem at all. But for me, it's more or less like taking into the shower, washing my hands around it without taking the watch off. Simple as that. Works, to be honest with you, great. I have no complaints about it. Well, here I am in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything, every single feature offered by this Mi Band 5. If I have missed anything, guys, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help with that as well. Now, answer to the biggest question everybody wanted to know, that will I recommend this fitness tracker or not? Honestly speaking, whatever I checked on this fitness tracker worked great for me. All the features were fantastic, to be honest with you. I would highly recommend it. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this Mi Band 5 fitness tracker for yourself, and I'm sure you're not going to regret your decision at all. Now, that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.